Good morning to one and all. My name is Sohit from ECE section, roll number J8. Today, my topic is about adaptive importance sampling, the past, the present, the future. Introduction. A fundamental problem in signal processing is the estimation of unknown parameters or functions from noisy observations. Important examples include localization of objects in wireless sensor networks and the Internet of Things, multiple source reconstruction from electroencephalograms, estimation of power spectral density for speech enhancement, or estimation in genomic signal processing. Within the Bayesian signal processing framework, these problems are addressed by constructing posterior probability distributions of the unknowns. The posteriors combine optimally all the information about the unknowns in the observations with the information that is present in their prior probability distributions. Given the posterior, one often wants to make inference about the unknowns. Example. If we are estimating parameters, finding the values that maximize their posterior or values that minimize some cost function given the uncertainty of the parameters. Unfortunately, obtaining closed form solutions to these types of problems is infeasible in most practical applications, and therefore developing approximate inference techniques is of utmost interest. Methodology for solving the inference. A methodology that comes to the rescue for solving most difficult problems of inference is based on random drawing of samples. It was first applied systematically by the Italian physicist Enrico Fermi when he studied neutron diffusion. However, no publication is available from him on this topic. Later, the methodology came to be known as Monte Carlo sampling. The next major advancement of MC methods came with a generalization of the Metropolis algorithm proposed by Hastings in 1970. MC algorithms. All these methods represent a family of simulation-based algorithms that aim at generating samples from a target probability distribution. Often a posterior distribution is a Bayesian setting. The algorithms are based on constructing a Markov chain that has the desired distribution as its equilibrium distribution, which is why they are referred to as Markov chain Monte Carlo algorithms, MCMC. The most prominent MCMC algorithms remain the Metropolis Hastings and Gibbs sampling algorithms. Since the 1990s, MCMC based methods have seen tremendous growth and success. Importance sampling, IS. An importance alternative to MCMC sampling is the class of importance sampling IS methods. The IS methods are elegant, theoretically sound, simple to understand, and widely applicable. Assume that the aim is to approximate a given target probability distribution. The basic IS mechanism consists of drawing samples from simple proposal densities, weighting the samples by accounting for the mismatch between the target and the proposal densities, performing the desired inference using the weighted samples. It is well known that the performance of IS methods directly depends on the choice of the proposal densities. When the methods is applied naively, only few of the IS weights take relevant values while the rest are negligible. This phenomenon is widely known in the IS literature as weight degeneracy. However, designing these proposals usually cannot be done a priori, and thus adaptive procedures must be constructed and applied alternatively. The observative and that with passing iterations, the quality of the samples improves and the inference from the becomes more accurate. This leads us to the concept of adaptive importance sampling, AIS. Adaptive importance sampling, AIS. AIS methods are endowed with the nice feature of being able to learn from previously sampled values of the unknowns and consequently to become more accurate. It is important to note that the AIS algorithms must remain simple, that is, both the drawings of samples and the computation of their weights should be easily managed. The basics of AIS. The AIS methodology is based on an iterative process for gradual evolution of the single or multiple proposals densities to accurately approximate the target PDF. The procedure consists of three basic steps: generation of samples from a proposal or set of proposals, sampling, calculation of importance of each of the samples, that is weighting, updating or adapting the parameters to define the proposal or proposals to obtain the new proposal or proposals for the next iteration. AIS, flow diagram of AIS with only one PDF. Different AIS algorithms. Many important AIS algorithms have been proposed in the literature in the last 2 decades. Standard Population Monte Carlo, PMC, Mixture Population Monte Carlo, MPMC, Nonlinear Population Monte Carlo, NPMC, Layered Adaptive Importance Sampling, LAIS, Deterministic Mixture Population Monte Carlo, DMPMC, Adaptive Multiple Importance Sampling, AMIS, Gradient Adaptive Population Importance Sampling, GAPIS. Comparison between different AIS algorithms. Standard PMC algorithm, proposals are n greater than 1, weighting is standard, adaptation strategy is resampling, parameters are adapted are location. MPMC algorithm, proposals n greater than 1, weighting spatial mixture, adaptation strategy resampling, parameters adapted location. NPMC algorithm, it's either proposals, non-linear weighting, moment estimation adaptation strategy, location or scale parameters are adapted. LAIS, proposals are n greater than 1, weighting generic mixture, adaptation strategy is MCMC, parameters adapted are location. DMPMC, proposals are n greater than 1, weightlifting are spatial mixture, adaptation strategy is resampling, parameters adapted are location. AMIS, proposals are n equals to 1, weighting, temporal mixture, adaptation strategy, moment estimation, parameters adapted are location or scale. GAPIS, n greater than 1, weighting, spatial mixture, adaptation strategy, gradient process, parameters adapted are location or scale. APIS, proposals, n greater than 1, weighting, spatial mixture, adaptation strategy, moment estimation, parameters adapted are location. Thank you.